Streamlining email management with productivity apps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're like most people, you probably spend a significant chunk of your day dealing with emails. Between work, personal messages, newsletters, and spam, it can all get overwhelming pretty quickly. But don't worry, today we're going to talk about how to streamline your email management using productivity apps. Trust me, this will make your life so much easier. Hack number 1, organizing with. First up, let's talk about email filters. Most major email providers like Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo let you create filters to automatically sort your incoming messages into folders. This is a game changer for staying organized. You can set up filters by sender, subject, or keywords to make sure everything goes to the right place. Instead of letting everything pile up in your inbox, use filters to ensure work emails go to one folder, personal stuff goes to another, and promotions or newsletters get tucked away without cluttering your main inbox. Hack number 2, unsubscribe from unwanted newsletters. Speaking of newsletters, one of the biggest productivity killers is an inbox flooded with things you never actually read. So here's a simple hack. Use apps like Unroll.me or CleanFox to easily unsubscribe from unwanted emails. With these tools, you can bulk unsubscribe with just a few clicks, saving you tons of time. These apps will scan your inbox, identify all the subscriptions, and let you choose which ones you want to keep and which ones to get rid of. It's a super efficient way to declutter your email. Hack number 3, email scheduling for better time management. Now, if you're managing a busy schedule, email scheduling can be a game changer. For instance, did you know you can schedule emails to send later in Gmail or Outlook? Instead of sending that email at 10 p.m. when you're finally wrapping up your day, you can schedule it to send at a more appropriate time, like the next morning. Just click the little arrow next to the send button, and voila, schedule your email for the perfect time. Hack number 4, use email apps for multi-account management. If you've got more than one email account to manage, whether it's work, personal, or even side projects, using an all-in-one email app like Outlook, Airmail, or Spark can make things a lot easier. These apps let you manage multiple accounts in one place and offer great features like quick replies, snooze options, and unified inboxes. Instead of opening several different apps or tabs, you can handle everything from one streamlined interface. Plus, many of these apps come with advanced features like smart sorting and customization options. Instead of opening several different apps or tabs, you can handle everything from one streamlined interface. Plus, many of these apps come with advanced features like smart sorting and customization options. Hack number 5, task management integration. Email doesn't always just need a reply. Sometimes it's a task that needs action. That's where task management apps like Todoist, Trello, or Asana come in. Many of these apps allow you to directly convert an email into a task, helping you stay on top of what needs to be done. So instead of leaving an email sitting in your inbox as a reminder to follow up later, you can turn it into a task with due dates, reminders, and priorities. This way, nothing slips through the cracks. Hack number 6, using email templates for quick responses. Another productivity boost is email templates. If you find yourself writing the same responses over and over again, maybe for customer service, team updates, or simple questions, you can create templates to save yourself tons of time. Many email providers, including Gmail, let you create and save templates. Instead of typing out the same email every time, you can just insert a pre-written response with a click. This is especially helpful for business owners, remote workers, or anyone who has to respond to similar queries frequently. Many email providers, including Gmail, let you create and save templates. Instead of typing out the same email every time, you can just insert a pre-written response with a click. This is especially helpful for business owners, remote workers, or anyone who has to respond to similar queries frequently. Hack number 7, email snooze feature. Last but not least, email snooze. We all know that feeling of receiving an email, but not having the time to deal with it right then. Instead of letting it sit in your inbox, you can snooze it to pop up again later when you're ready to respond. Both Gmail and Outlook have snooze features built in, and it works like a charm. You can set a specific time, like tomorrow morning, or choose from preset options like later this afternoon or this evening. It's a great way to make sure important emails don't slip through the cracks without having to deal with them right away. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Some super simple yet powerful ways to streamline your email management and boost your productivity using a few key apps and features. I hope these tips help you conquer your inbox and save you time. Which of these hacks are you going to try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome productivity tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.